Let's talk cars, people, not just any cars, mind you. We're talking Volvo. These Swedes knew what they were doing from the start. 1927, that's when it all began. Assar Gabrielsen and Gustaf Larsson, two blokes with a vision. They wanted to build cars that could handle Sweden's unforgiving roads and weather. More importantly, they wanted cars that put safety first. Safety wasn't just a selling point for Volvo, it was in their DNA. These weren't cars built for show, they were built to protect. And that philosophy, that unwavering commitment to safety, well, it changed everything. It's what made Volvo Volvo. The first Volvo rolled off the production line and the world took notice. This wasn't just another car company, this was something different. This was a company that cared about keeping you alive, and that resonated with people. Volvo didn't just talk about safety, they engineered it into every nut and bolt. They pioneered the three-point safety belt, the one that's in every car today. Yeah, that was Volvo. They gave it away, free to the world. That's how much they cared about your well-being. Side impact protection, crumple zones, whiplash protection systems. Volvo was always ahead of the curve. They crashed more cars in the name of safety than you've probably ever driven, all to understand how to make their vehicles safer for you, your family, and everyone else on the road. They built cars like tanks, not because they were aggressive, but because they wanted to protect the precious cargo inside. They understood that a car is more than just a machine. It's a vessel that carries the people we love, and they refused to compromise on that. Now let's talk about the cars themselves. The S90, their flagship saloon, sleek, elegant and powerful. It's what happens when Swedish design meets engineering genius. The XC90, the big daddy SUV, spacious, luxurious and capable of handling anything you throw at it, on or off-road. And the XC60, the Goldilocks of the SUV lineup. Just the right size with all the style and substance you expect from a Volvo. These aren't just cars, they're statements. They say, I've arrived, and I value safety and style in equal measure. They're packed with technology, from advanced driver assistance systems to luxurious interiors that would make a Scandinavian king feel at home. But don't let the luxury fool you. These are still Volvos through and through. They're built on a foundation of safety, with high-strength steel cages and a suite of airbags that'll make you feel invincible. What sets Volvo apart, design-wise, is their restraint. They don't go for flashy or over the top. They understand that true elegance lies in simplicity. Clean lines, uncluttered interiors, and a focus on functionality. That's the Volvo way. Their interiors are a masterclass in Scandinavian design. Think minimalist, with high-quality materials and a focus on ergonomics. Everything is where it should be, intuitive and easy to use. You won't find any cheap plastics or tacky chrome here, and under the hood you'll find engines that are both powerful and efficient. Volvo has embraced hybrid technology, combining petrol or diesel engines with electric motors for impressive performance and reduced emissions. They're not just building safe cars, they're building cars for the future. Let's talk about the Volvo badge for a moment. That circle with the arrow pointing diagonally upwards, that's the ancient chemical symbol for iron. It represents strength, durability and safety, the very essence of Volvo. It's a symbol that's been around for almost a century, and it's more than just a logo. It's a promise. It's a promise to build cars that are as tough as they are safe, cars that you can rely on no matter what. That badge is a symbol of trust, and it's earned that trust over decades of unwavering commitment to its core values. When you see that iron mark, you know you're looking at a car that's built to last, a car that's built to protect. So, where does Volvo stand today? Well, they're still at the forefront of automotive safety, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're still building some of the safest cars on the planet, cars that consistently earn top ratings in crash tests, but they're not just resting on their laurels. Volvo is embracing the future of the automotive industry. They're investing heavily in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. and the demand for Volvos has never been higher. People are willing to pay a premium for safety, for quality, for that unmistakable Scandinavian style. Volvo has become a byword for understated luxury, for those who value substance over flash. What's next for Volvo? Well, if their track record is anything to go by, it's going to be impressive. They've set a goal to have half of their sales be fully electric by 2025, and they're well on their way. They're also at the forefront of autonomous driving technology, developing systems that will make driving safer and more convenient. Volvo is a company that's not afraid to innovate, to challenge the status quo. They're not content with simply building great cars. They want to build a better future for everyone. And you can bet that whatever they come up with will be stylish, safe, and undeniably Volvo. But Volvo's impact goes beyond just the cars they build. They're a company that's committed to sustainability, to reducing their environmental impact. They're using recycled materials in their cars, reducing emissions from their factories, and investing in renewable energy. They're also deeply involved in social responsibility initiatives, supporting education, healthcare, and disaster relief efforts around the world. Volvo is a company that understands that true success isn't just about profits, it's about making a positive impact on the world, and that's something worth celebrating. So there you have it, Volvo, a company that's been synonymous with safety, quality, and understated luxury for almost a century. From their humble beginnings in Sweden to their current status as a global automotive powerhouse, they've always stayed true to their core values. So if you're in the market for a new car and you value safety, style, and a touch of Scandinavian cool, then look no further than Volvo. Trust me, you